things can be compared to hunting a rutting bull elk, and Western Canada provides a great backdrop to pursue them in. On this Canadian Tradition Blast from the Past, we're doing exactly that. We're bow hunting in a blizzard for a rut-crazed bull elk.
We're, I think they're about 250 yards up. We'll just get in these trees, work up. I got a bale blind up here. Yeah. Hopefully we can get into that bale blind, and I'll call him. I'll go back in the bush and call him if I'm dragging by.
I just got set up in this blind. I can still hear a couple different bulls bugling back here up that pathway. There he is. Coming straight in. He's our bull there. Look at the range. 105. No, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming right in. There's so many elk right beside the blind. There's a bull coming through the timber, coming up to the field. Try for that 5. 55 yards. Get the eyes on the field. 48. Oh, big boy's coming down. Stay on that big one. Gotta get the bull on the blind here. Come on. Okay, he stopped. He stopped. I just hit that big bull. 50 yards. The shot felt great. He's just up there, standing on the top of the hill. Trying to do this as quiet as possible here.
I didn't think we'd be dealing with this when you told me to come out and do an archery hunt.
Green to white in one
Dude,
day.
this is like a bow hunter's nightmare too, right?
Well, I'm glad that we've seen him here. I hope we get him here because this snow's hard to follow. No blood trail. It's snowing so quick.
There he is, Vern. Nice, pal. This is like a winter wonderland, you know? Beautiful little.
See? You don't need to count it actually this one. That's a beautiful bull. Look at
Vern,
that.
man. To sit there, we had elk eating off the side of our ground blind. I could hear their teeth.
Thanks for tuning in. For more exciting Canadian tradition outdoor adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along on all of our social channels to stay up to date with our cross-Canada fishing and hunting adventures.